everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I happened to go there for my other channel because I want to start doing some DIYs over there as well using Dollar Tree items. If you're not familiar, I do have a reborning channel, doll collecting channel, so I needed some things for that channel, as I do want to start getting that channel moving as well, because I want to be getting more into reborning, and so a lot of my time I'm hoping to dedicate to there, although I still want to be able to, once I have all my things organized, be able to get back into doing DIYs for this channel as well. So I didn't pick up a whole lot of things, but the things that I found I was super excited to see. So I thought I would share a quick Dollar Tree haul with all of you. Okay, so as I said, I did go to the Dollar Tree with my other channel in mind. And I was pleasantly surprised to come across these Arthur plush dolls. And when my kids were little, all three of them loved to watch Arthur. And so it was really nice to see these, but my kids are all grown up. But because I have my doll channel, these just are great for props to set up beside some of the toddler dolls, and then great for, you know, taking pictures and such. So I did pick up the 4. And was this Baxter Bunny? I don't remember this particular one, the name that is, but you would think they have it written on the back, but I don't see it. Arthur, of course, DW, and Francine. So that was definitely a fun find. Last time around, I did pick up a pink plastic bathtub, and again, this is just for props purposes for some of the smaller reborn dolls. Then I picked up some items because I also want to be doing some DIYs over on that channel, so I figured I would pick some of these things up. I have something in mind, which is why I picked up this tube of icing. So if you are into doll collecting or reborning, then maybe you want to check out the channel over there to see some of the little DIYs that I make for props to pose with some of the dolls. So I also picked up this pack of fashion jewelry, again with something particular in mind to go along with this icing. And then I picked up these baby shower favors. You get 18, well actually this one you get 36 in a pack. I also picked up the rocking horses, and this one it's 18 pieces. And I'm seeing that this is a different company than this one. Oh no, they're the same, just different packaging. It's the Oh Baby brand. So what I actually went for when I picked up these was they had a pack that had all little pacifiers, little mini pacifiers, but unfortunately they did not have those there, so I don't know if they didn't carry them at this particular Dollar Tree or they were all sold out, because they had everything else. They had other ones. They had bears, they had little blocks, but the pacifiers is what I needed. So I will keep my eyes open for those. So over in the garden section, I was so pleasantly surprised to see that Dollar Tree is selling garland, and it looks really, really nice as well. So there were a few different types. There was one garland that even had some roses on them, but I love just the green garland, and the one that I picked up is pepper leaf garland, and it is by Floral Garden. So I was so happy to come across this. As you can see, it's really nice looking, and whether you're using it just to hang for decor or wrap it around a wreath ring, these are really nice, and I think for $1.25 that is a great deal. I also came across by Crafter's Square these carrot picks, and these were really nice. Now I did have to really pick through them because, as you can see, there are gaps in the twine, so I figured it's easy enough to cover that up either with some twine of the same color or just even some paint to fill it in. But I thought these were really nice, and really nice that they're picks. I do like making floral arrangements, so this would be a great thing to add to something like that. And the last item that I picked up, as you can see, I was very excited about these ones because I did get 10 of each. And that's because I have a few ideas in mind in how to DIY these, but honestly, they are just beautiful the way they are. They are a really nice size, and I saw them in 2 different colors. And just a side note, there were a ton of them there, so I didn't feel bad about taking 10 of each. But the first one here you can see is in a natural wood finish, faux wood finish that is. And in white it says welcome. And then I picked up the faux whitewash wood that has blessed in this really pretty deep green color, which is really pretty as well. And that was my Dollar Tree haul for the weekend. Again, not a very big haul, but I was pleasantly surprised, as I always am when there's new items, and especially when they are as nice as these. And I'm hoping that with these, because when they brought the little ones out of the cathedral style decor, that they came out like this, but then they ended up getting some metal pieces as well. And I would absolutely love if they brought these decor pieces in the metal finish. So, have you guys seen any of these items at your Dollar Tree? If you have, let me know in the comments section below. Maybe let me know what you've seen in your area, as I am in Canada, and a lot of times we don't get the wonderful things that you guys get or post if you have your own YouTube channel. And it's always nice to see new things and then have that hope that they are going to be arriving at our Dollar Trees here in Canada. And that's the thing, as far as I know, we in Canada, again, as far as I know, but if you are from Canada and you know differently, again, let me know in the comments section below. But we do not have the Dollar Tree Plus stores. And oh my goodness, I would go crazy in them because you guys get some really nice items. So hopefully one day we get them here as well. But for now, I'm really content when they do come out with these type of items, because even though they are $1.50, they are a larger size item. And that makes it worth it for me. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. And as always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.